शायद
हेलो हाय
अरे वाह
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू यू
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू यू टू। आपकी आवाज़ बैठी हुई है।
शाहिद दीपिका डेब्यू मूवी हॉलीवुड मूवी यू वर्ड्स बेस्ट विशेस फॉर
Yeah, wishing Deepika all the best for Triple X. It's a huge opportunity for her. She is doing better and better and better with every film. So I'm very very happy for her, and I'm excited to be here with the team. The first Triple X that came out, I think about 14 years ago, was one of my favorite action films. So I'm sure it's going to be fantastic.
You three of you Padmavati cast is here, Ranveer is here, Deepika is here, and you are also here. What's the real combo here?
Yeah, those are the three X's.
Okay.
Now you figured it out.
Shahid, we are loving this look of yours from Raja Ratan Singh. How has the shoot been going? The first schedule is done. How taxing was it? And if you could just tell us about it.
First of all, this is not the look for Raja Rawal Ratan. You will only know the look next year when it comes out. We're hiding it. How, that you can guess. But this is not the look for Padmavati. This is half the look for Padmavati. The other half you'll see when the film comes out. The first schedule happened last month, and I'm very very happy. We shot for about 25 days. There's a lot more still to do, but it was a great start. It's a privilege to be working with Mr. Bhansali. When you get on his set and you see the way he puts things together, the way he makes his sets, the love and the passion with which he makes his movies, it's really really a privilege as an artist to be in that atmosphere working with him. And when you see and when you get directed by him, you understand why some of the best performances from our leading artists, whether it's the actresses or the actors, have been in some of his films, because he really does provide you that opportunity and push you in that direction to give it your best.
We are also looking forward to your pairing with Deepika, first
Sure.
for both of you.
Sure.
So how has that been? How did you guys break the ice, and how's the chemistry come along?
I don't think there was any ice to break. Me and Deepika have known each other for a few years. There were a lot of films that were offered to both of us, and for some reason or the other, either she said no or I said no, and somehow a film never happened. But today I can very confidently say that I'm happy that they didn't happen, because I think the kind of platform that Padmavati is for us to come together is fantastic, and the kind of filmmaker Mr. Bhansali is to be playing husband and wife, and to have romance, and to have emotional scenes, and to have a lot of drama, and to be playing king and queen. I'm really happy that finally we're working on a film like Padmavati.
शायद आपका कोई प्लान इस तरह की अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर की कोई फिल्म करना, हॉलीवुड की फिल्म करना?
सर, प्लान बनाने से क्या होता है? वो तो अपॉर्चुनिटी जब आएगी तब देखेंगे.
Any desires, any preferences you would like to work?
मैं साधु टाइप का आदमी हूँ सर. मेरे डिज़ायर ज़्यादा है नहीं. I just feel I'm very very fortunate to be doing the work that I'm doing. I want to act with the best, whether that's in Hindi, English, or any other language that I can learn or maybe speak. I would be happy to do it. I love being in front of the camera. I love performing, and I love movies. So whatever language, I'd be happy.
शायद रिसेंटली आपने ट्विटर पर अपना गुस्सा बताया था फोटो जर्नलिस्ट की तरफ,
तो बड़े प्यार से लिखा था यार, तुमने गुस्से में पढ़ लिया होगा.
दैट वाज टुवर्ड्स योर
No, actually, it's been a few months now that Misha's born, and there's many times that I've taken her out, and I've never said anything for all these months. So that particular incident happened because I read a report in the paper, which actually there was some report which compared some person covering 10-year-old kids का face cover किया हुआ है, and they said I'm doing the same thing. तो मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगा, because 4-5 महीने की बच्ची है, अगर इतने डिस्टेंस से फ्लैश होंगे कैमराज उसकी आंख पे, तो that's not good for her. So I felt very hurt that this much sensitivity we should have, to understand, and I felt it was very out of context. Otherwise, I think I've always been very understanding, and I know that you guys are doing your job, I'm doing my job. We can't do this without each other. There's no value. I have no value if these cameras are not asking me these questions. And if you don't have somebody standing here talking, what's the point of all the cameras? So this is a relationship which we need to do together. And it was not at all for the cameraman. Actually, I think every time I have gone out, all those people who've been clicking pictures have tried to be as discreet as they can, but I understand it's their job. If they don't click the picture, somebody else will. So that's a part of the job, and it happens all the time. But when I read something like that, it felt so out of context. It felt like somebody just wanted to put me down for no reason, or to say something mean for no reason. And I can take that. I've been doing this for 13 years. but I don't like it if it's directed towards my family or my children. So I expressed myself honestly, and actually a lot of people were happy that I said something like that, because these are situations which are dangerous. I mean, when I go to promote my movies and there are so many people, there are women, there are children, there are all kinds of people who are there, and you know there are always situations, and you always wish and pray that nobody ever gets hurt. You know, so we all need to be responsible about such situations. You need to be responsible, I need to be responsible, all of us need to be responsible.
Shahid, if you had to choose between Deepika and Priyanka as who is doing the best work in Hollywood, who would you choose and why?
Why should I choose if Hollywood is not choosing and they are giving opportunities to so many people? They are being smart, right? So I'll also choose to be smart.
Shahid, Urta Punjab and awards, how much the awards are still awaited ceremonies, more expectations.
Sir, if they come, I'll be very, very happy. If they come, I'll be very happy, Sumit. And if they don't come, then I will work harder. For me, Urta Punjab is a very special performance, and for me as an actor, it's possibly my most difficult role. I would put it above Heather, I would put it above Kamine, I would put it above Rangoon. Padmavati is still going on, so I can't say whether I would put it above that, but simply because I have never ever been an addict of anything. I've never even had a sip of alcohol. So for me to play that character was extremely challenging. And the fact that it got accepted was a huge achievement for me. So Urta Punjab and Tommy Singh are very close to my heart. He's the worst guy I've ever played, and I've had the most fun playing him.
Thank you guys.
Shahid,
It's okay, it's okay.
Shahid, also Sanjay Leela Bhansali's films are known for its extravaganza, especially when it comes to song and dance.
Yes.
You know, we're sure Deepika will be having some special dance number, but I don't know if you, as the king, will have something to do with that. Since you are such a fabulous dancer, will we see you shake a leg or two in the classical avatar?
Want to wait for it? But no, let me be honest. Both Rangoon and Padmavati, I'm not going to be dancing, because in one I'm playing a Jawan, I'm playing an officer, and in the other one I am playing a king. So it's doubtful. There will be songs. There are, I think, 2 or 3 songs that me and Deepika have together, but I will not be dancing in those songs. So I hope somebody offers me a movie where I can dance.
Also, staying on Rangoon, the trailer has been much appreciated. You know, we are also looking forward to your pairing with Kangana. We keep hearing reports about you and Kangana not being friends. Could you just clarify what exactly is it?
There are no issues between me and Kangana. And I also read an article somewhere that we might not promote together. There is no problem. And I'd be happy to promote the film whenever, wherever. Happily with Kangana and with Saif, who's also a very big part of the film. And with everybody else, and with whoever chooses to be there. Because Rangoon is out on the 24th of February. It's my 3rd film with Vishal Bhardwaj. A large part of who I am as an actor is defined by him, so these films are always special. It's very different from Heather. It's very different from Kamine. Don't expect either of those 2 films. This is a different film. It's an original film, and I'm doing something different in the film. So yeah, I'm excited and looking forward. It's my first collaboration with Sajid Naryadwala. It's the first time me and Kangana and Saif will be in a film together. So yeah, so no issues.
Okay, Shahid, I think so we should not bother you much because it's already lots of time. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Your family, may God bless you and your family.
Thank you.
And thank you so for being so insightful and intelligent words for the relation between media and you.
And also very patient.
No, thank you. It's
Please
always a
always,
pleasure. Always a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, Shahid.